Hello developers and welcome back. In this section, we're going to learn about Firebase. Firebase is a comprehensive mobile and web application development platform developed by Google. It provides a wide range of tools and services that developers can build, improve, and scale their Android applications quickly and effectively. Firebase is known for its ease of use, real-time capabilities, and integration with other Google Cloud services. Now let's move to explore some of the key components and features of Firebase for Android development. Let's start with the real-time database. Firebase Real-Time Database is a NoSQL cloud-hosted database that allows you to store and sync data in real time. It uses a JSON-like data structure and provides real-time synchronization, which means any changes made to the database are immediately reflected on all connected clients. And we'll use the real-time database in our applications in the next videos. The second service or feature is the Cloud Firestore. Firestore is Firebase's more advanced NoSQL database that offers features like more flexible querying, offline data access, and improved scalability. It's suitable for applications that require complex queries and support for offline access. Authentication. Firebase Authentication provides a secure and easy to implement system for user authentication using email, password, social identity providers like Google, Firebase, Facebook, Twitter, and more. It handles user sign up, sign in, and password reset flows. Cloud Functions. Firebase Cloud Functions allows you to run serverless backend code in response to events triggered by changes in your Firebase project, such as database updates, authentication, events, or HTTP requests. It's useful for automating tasks, sending notifications, and handling complex business logic. Firebase ML or Machine Learning. Firebase ML Kit, Machine Learning Kit, offers pre-built machine learning models for tasks like text recognition, image labeling, and face detection. You can use ML to integrate machine learning features in your Android app. Hosting. Firebase Hosting is designed to host web applications, static websites, and single-page apps with a focus on ease of use, speed, and scalability. Cloud Storage is designed to store and serve user-generated content such as images, videos, audio files, and other binary data for web and mobile applications. And we'll use this feature to store our images and our assets in our applications. Also, we're going to use the Crashlytics. Firebase Analytics provides detailed app usage and event tracking. It helps you understand user behavior and make data-driven decisions to improve your app. Firebase Crashlytics is a lightweight, real-time crash reporter that helps you track and fix stability issues that erode your app quality. Performance monitoring is a service that helps you to gain insight into the performance characteristics of your Apple, Android, and web apps. This service is used to collect performance data from your app, then review and analyze the data in the Firebase console. Test Lab. Firebase Test Lab is a cloud-based app testing infrastructure that lets you test your app on a range of devices and configurations so you can get a better idea how it'll perform in the hands of live users. App distribution. Firebase App Distribution makes distributing your apps to trusted testers painless. By getting your apps onto testers' devices quickly, you can get feedback early and often. Grow Your Business section includes many services. In-app messaging. Firebase in-app messaging allows you to engage with your app users by sending targeted and contextual messages directly within your app. Google Analytics for Firebase is a comprehensive analytics solution that helps you understand user behavior, app performance, and user engagement, including user demographics, user flows, conversion tracking, and custom events tracking. Predictions. Firebase Predictions uses machine learning to analyze user data and predict user behavior and engagement patterns. It can help you identify user segments and are likely to take specific actions such as making a purchase or churning, allowing you to target them with personalized content or notifications. A/B testing. Firebase A/B testing enables you to create and run experiments to test different app variants and features with a portion of your user base. Cloud messaging. Firebase Cloud Messaging (FCM) allows you to send push notifications, in-app messaging, and data messages to your app users on Android, iOS, and web platforms. It provides a reliable and efficient way to engage with users and keep them informed about important updates and events in your app. Firebase Remote Config lets you remotely configure and personalize your app without requiring a new app release. You can change app settings, appearance, and behavior for different user segments or A/B test groups. It helps you adapt your app to user preferences and experiment with various configurations. And last thing is the dynamic links. Firebase dynamic links are deep links that work across platforms and devices. They can direct users to specific content or actions within your app. Dynamic links can be customized for different scenarios, such as sharing referral links, inviting friends to your app, or tracking marketing campaigns. These Firebase services enhance your app's capabilities in various ways.